Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 40. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. And if you don't have this app, let's download it from Play Store. Open it. Tap View Wallet, and as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, and manage your passes. Also, you can add new passes like transport pass, loyalty and gift card to your Google account. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, contactless setup where you can turn on NFC, set up payment card, check if Google Pay is set as your default app, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can go to full list of participating banks, enter password manager, and in your data in wallet you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.